The 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.